Children, in this chapter we will learn that different animals make different sounds. Just like the sound made by the animal cow is known as moo, M-O-O, moo. The sound made by horse is known as neigh, Neigh. The sound made by goat is known as bleat, Bleat, bleat. But the sound made by a snake is known as hiss, Hiss, hiss. The sound made by a pig is known as oink, Oink. But the sound made by a frog is croak, 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 croak. And I know that all of you know. What is the name of the sound that is made by cats? Yes, it's meow. 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 Right? Okay, next. Children, do you know that? The sound made by dog that we usually know is bark, right? But the large dogs, the sound made by large dogs is known as oof, WOOF, oof. So children, I hope you remember which sound is made by which animal. So let us do the exercise of the book ourselves.